Welcome to ByteFurther. Today's video is gonna show you why your iPad says iPad unavailable and how to unlock an unavailable iPad if you forgot the lock screen passcode. At the end of this video, I'll explain some frequently asked questions about iPad unavailable message from users. So, please watch this video till the end. If you find this video helpful to fix your unavailable iPad, please give it a like, and share it via Facebook, Twitter, Quora, and so on to help others in need. Now, let's start. You forgot the iPad passcode and enter the wrong passcode several times. Finally, you get an iPad unavailable message on a black screen. Sometimes, you'll also see the screen showing you the security lockout message. Depending on how many wrong passcode attempts you've made, you can see a screen saying iPad unavailable or security lockout with try again in several minutes alert. For 4 times wrong passcode entries in a row, your iPad will be unavailable and locked for 1 minute. 5 times locks iPad for 5 minutes. 6 times locks iPad for 15 minutes. 7 times locks iPad 1 hour. 8 times locks iPad 3 hours. 9 times locks iPad 8 hours. When you keep entering the wrong passcode more than 10 times, iPad unavailable will last forever with no timer given on the screen. What is it? It's dazzling when you first time see an iPad unavailable lock screen after you recently update your tablet to iPadOS 16.5. Actually, it's an Apple security lock set to prevent unauthorized users from unlocking your locked iPad and accessing your important data and content. This security lock feature has been released since iPadOS 15.2. What does it mean when your iPad says unavailable? An unavailable error showing on your iPad presents that continuous wrong passcode entries have been made. Maybe you've forgotten the password, keep entering the incorrect code, and get locked out of the tablet. Perhaps your daughter or the iPad itself mistakenly types the keyboard and the screen shows you the iPad unavailable message. Why does your iPad say iPad unavailable? First of all, the wrong passcode was entered too many times on your iPad. You or someone else keep attempting the wrong passcode more than 5 times in a row. Second, iPadOS update bugs. Some users complain that iPad shows iPad unavailable after updating through iTunes is done and turning on the tablet. Third, charging issues. If you find your iPad is unavailable when charging, it could be stuck. All you see is iPad unavailable message with support.apple.com/iphone/passcode on the screen and the tablet won't respond at all. Fourth, hardware issues. A rare case is that the touch screen goes wrong after dropping or getting water damaged and automatically unlocks the lock screen itself by typing a series of wrong codes. In the end, it displays the message iPad unavailable over top of the date and time display. It asks you to push the home button to unlock and it won't work at all. How to fix iPad unavailable? If you see a time countdown on the iPad unavailable screen and you still remember the lock screen password, you can wait and enter the right code to unlock. If you don't see a timer or you've forgotten the passcode, there's no way to recover the iPad passcode. You'll have to restore your iPad to its factory settings, deleting everything on the tablet to start over. Here, we'll show you 3 ways of unlocking unavailable iPad. You can bypass the unavailable message screen on iPad without a computer by using Erase iPad button and going through iCloud.com. If you have a computer near you, you can put your iPad into recovery mode and use iTunes or Finder application to fix the unavailable tablet and get into it without a passcode. Method 1. Use Erase iPad button. When your iPad is not available, you can unlock your locked iPad without a computer. Apple brings an Erase iPad button along with the iPad unavailable lock screen. This can be used to get into a locked iPad without a passcode. All you need to do is to press the Erase iPad button, enter the Apple ID password, confirm to reset your unavailable iPad and you're done. Now, let's do it. Make sure you've reached the iPad unavailable screen with Erase iPad button, which will show up after 7 consecutive wrong passcode attempts. Next, tap the Erase iPad button. In the security lockout screen, tap the Erase iPad button again. Then, enter your Apple ID password as prompted and press Go on the keyboard. When asked, choose Erase option and your unavailable iPad will automatically reset itself. You'll see an Apple logo screen with a progress bar. It may take a few minutes to bypass the iPad unavailable screen, so please wait patiently. When it's over, your iPad will restart and boot up to the hello screen. Quickly set it up by following the setup assistant. If you've backed up your iPad data in iCloud or a computer, You can restore the data in the apps and data screen. After finishing the setup process, you successfully unlock your unavailable iPad. Method 2. Unlock unavailable iPad with iCloud. Don't see an Erase iPad button? Worry not. You can use the Find My function in iCloud.com to get into a locked iPad that says iPad unavailable. Here's what you need to do. Open any browser and go to iCloud.com. Enter the Apple ID you've signed into your unavailable iPad and type the password to log in. On the iCloud homepage, choose Find iPhone button from the bottom right corner. On the middle top, click All Devices and choose the name of your unavailable iPad. Then, select Erase iPad, and click Erase iPad again to confirm. As long as your phone is connected to a stable network, the erase process will begin quickly. Once done, your iPad will bypass the unavailable error screen, restart and boot up to the hello screen. Quickly set it up and then you can get into your iPad to use it normally again. Method 3. Fix an unavailable iPad with a computer. What if you forgot the Apple ID password? Then, your next step is to open the iPad screen that says iPad unavailable with a computer. Here's what you need to do. Use a USB cable to connect your iPad to a Windows or macOS computer. Then, run iTunes or Finder application. Don't worry if you find your iPad unavailable and not connecting to iTunes or Finder. Your next step is to put the tablet into recovery mode. This step helps iTunes or Finder contacts with your iPad even when it's unavailable. Depending on different iPad models, the steps are a little bit different. In an iPad with a home button, press and hold the home button and power button together and keep holding both buttons until you see the recovery mode screen. In an iPad without a home button, press the quickly release the volume up button, and the volume down button, and then keep holding the top button until you see the recovery mode screen. The recovery mode screen will show a USB cable pointing to a computer like this. Then, go to iTunes or Finder window, where you'll see a dialog box popping up and asking you to update or restore the device. Choose the Restore button and select Restore and Update option. Then, all that's left to do is to wait for your unavailable iPad to be reset and unlocked. It might take 3 to 4 hours, so please wait patiently. Once done, your iPad will get past the unavailable error screen, restart and boot up to the hello screen. Quickly set it up and then you can get into your iPad to use it normally again. Now, here comes ByteFurther's FAQ part. How long can iPad unavailable last? It depends on how many wrong passcode entries you've made on your iPad. The unavailable message will last for 1 minute, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 1 hour, 3 hours, 8 hours, and then forever. How to fix iPad unavailable problem without losing data. If the iPad unavailable screen gives you a timer and you still remember the passcode, you can wait and enter the right code to unlock the unavailable screen without losing data. You can also restore from previous iPad backups in iCloud or your computer after resetting the tablet in apps and data screen. How to unlock an unavailable iPad without a computer. One way is to use the Erase iPad button that shows up on the bottom of your unavailable iPad screen. Another way is to use the Find My option iCloud.com. This method only works when it's turned on before your iPad became unavailable. That's all to do when your iPad says unavailable. Hope this video can help you fix and bypass the unavailable message lock screen and unlock your iPad successfully to make everything back in working order. Be sure to subscribe ByteFurther channel to learn more tech tips about iPhones, and click another video on the screen to keep watching.